Well, family is my specialty, and I chose that because it's such a variety. You never know what's going to be in the room, ages 0 to 100. So I want my patients to know that they can trust me and that I'll always be there for them whenever they call, and that they're not a bother. I guess that started at an early age. I would volunteer at the nursing home, and then when I was in high school, I started working at the hospital, and I had a lot of nurses and doctors that inspired me to want to go on and become an RN. First of all, I try to gain their trust because I think that's very important, and I want them to always feel like I'm there for them whenever they call. I think that any provider feels like they've done a good job when their patient is sick and they come back and they're healthy and they say, wow, whatever you gave me worked. I feel so much better now. Or, they get lab work and their numbers are so much better and they feel better, and you can just tell, if you've done a good job by what they say to you. Well, I think St. Joseph has a reputation for their care and compassion, and a Christian organization which follows my belief and philosophy. And it's, the providers that I met. When I get up in the morning, I don't dread going to work, which is a good thing. And it's just, you know that there's going to be problems that you can solve and people you can help. And when people come to the doctor, it's very scary. It's important when you can feel like the people that you work with have the same philosophy that you do and make you feel a part of their team.